Hey everyone, welcome to the video. I hope you're having a really lovely day wherever you are today. And in today's video, I want to tell you a little bit of a story. So you know that if you are a subscriber or you're a regular viewer of my videos, then you know I like to basically do update videos or to present projects to you so you know exactly what that project is about. And for anybody who's new to my channel, or maybe this is the first video you've ever watched of mine, basically, I like to look at DeFi projects, which stands for decentralized finance, which basically means you can make money from projects in crypto rather than just holding a certain coin for a couple of years and just hoping it goes up in value. But I'm thinking of perhaps shifting a little bit for my channel. I've really been considering about what I want to do this year with the channel. I am still going to be doing the deep dive analysis vids, and I am still going to be bringing you new projects and projects that I think are worthy of looking at, and perhaps projects that have potential. I'm going to basically continue doing exactly what I have been doing up until now, but I want to add it a bit and expand it a little bit and add more type of content. I'm thinking what I want to do is I want to do more type of content which isn't just specifically deep dive videos about DeFi. And there's a couple of reasons for that. And the first reason is it's actually difficult right now to do those type of videos just simply because there's not a lot of new DeFi projects coming out. Or if there is, they're just some kind of fork of a 1% project or a rebasing project. And, you know, like they'll contact me and I'll legitimately, genuinely go through the white paper and have a look. And unfortunately, most of the time, I'm just like, you're not offering anything new. And if I do a video on this in a month's time, this project is probably going to be non-existent. And unfortunately, that is the case. So I was thinking perhaps of doing more videos, which could be like either like just like a weekly update or something like that. You know, this is DeFi in a snapshot for this week. This project has failed. This project has started. This project is doing this, this project is doing that. You know, not necessarily with huge deep dive, sort of what it means and tokenomics and taxation and all that other type of stuff, just to tell you the news. Because I know a lot of you can't keep on Discord all the time, and these projects, I know, are forever evolving. And unless you literally are on the Discord every day, you can come back to them a month later and go, well, this is almost a different project than what I signed up for. Everything has changed somehow. So maybe I could do some kind of update videos. I'm thinking about doing that. And even just sort of crypto news in general. You know, what's happening in crypto at the moment? What could potentially change the direction that the market is in right now? So more of those type of videos where it's just, you know, I can actually get them out a lot quicker and do a lot more videos. And I'm also thinking of perhaps doing some videos on Bitcoin as well, because there's probably a lot of stuff about Bitcoin that you don't actually know. And, you know, if that's something that people end up watching, that's great. If nobody ends up watching that, then I might just look at that as a failed experiment. And another thing I'm thinking of doing as well is basically opening up my Discord for free. Now, I did have a Discord channel through Patreon, but then I moved over to the Sleep Money Club with your friend Andy and the Decade Investor. But things have sort of slowed up there and then pretty much in all the Discords quite a bit. So I'm figuring, what can I do which is in my control? And I'm like, well, Dan, you've got your own Discord channel. You've got about, not many, like about 20 people in there at the moment. So I'm thinking of just opening up for free, just opening up the floodgates and just saying, hey guys, you know, let's go in here. I'll be doing sort of private, you know, live streams, and I can tell you about the projects I'm looking at. And it's just like a more of like a condensed database type of place. Plus we can all chat, because we know that sometimes the other Discord channels from the projects can get a little bit perhaps negative sometimes, you know, perhaps people think they're getting treated unfairly, you know, and I don't really want any of that in my Discord. So that's just something I'm considering. I haven't done it yet, but I probably will do. And once I have, I will, you know, try and build up that community as well. So my friends, I was just sort of wondering, you know, what do you think about all this? Like, I am so grateful that I see so many great comments from you, and I'm almost feel like I'm getting to know you a bit, or at least get to know your names, because it's the same people sort of commenting pretty nice things, and it's a great little community. So my friends, if you have made it this far in the video, then total respect to you. You are one of the OG, and I am going to be doing OG roles in the Discord for when eventually, you know, the market does pick up and lots more people want to enter it and stuff like that. And also, if you have made it this far, write a comment, something funny, maybe tell a joke or something cool that happened to you today, or just something to make everybody smile and all that. That would be really, really cool. And until next time, you have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.